Have you ever felt like life is throwing you curveballs? What if I told you that the secret to emotional resilience lies in ancient wisdom? Today on Zen Stoic, we're diving into Stoicism and how it can help you build emotional resilience in the face of challenges. This video matters because emotional resilience is essential for navigating life. By the end, you'll learn practical Stoic strategies to strengthen your emotional foundation and face adversity with confidence. Stick around, because we're unlocking the keys to a more resilient you. 1. Understanding emotional resilience. Let's start by understanding emotional resilience. It's the ability to adapt to stress and adversity, bouncing back stronger than before. In Stoicism, resilience is rooted in our mindset. We can't control external events, but we can control our reactions. As Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Action step. Reflect on a recent challenge. How did you react? What could you have done differently? Open-ended question. What does emotional resilience mean to you? Share your thoughts in the comments. 2. Power of perspective. Next, let's explore the power of perspective. Stoicism teaches us to view challenges as opportunities for growth. When faced with adversity, ask, what can I learn from this? How can this experience make me stronger? Consider a time you faced rejection. Instead of viewing it as failure, see it as a chance to refine your skills. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Action step. Reframe a recent setback. Write down 3 lessons you can take away from it. Open-ended question. How do you shift your perspective during tough times? Let's discuss in the comments. 3. Practicing mindfulness. Now, let's talk about mindfulness in building emotional resilience. Mindfulness helps us stay present, reducing anxiety about the future or regrets about the past. In Stoicism, mindfulness is about observing our thoughts and emotions without judgment. This practice helps us respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. As Seneca said, we suffer more often in imagination than in reality. Action step. Try a mindfulness exercise today. Spend 5 minutes focusing on your breath. Notice your thoughts without getting caught up in them. Open-ended question. What mindfulness practices do you find helpful? Share your experiences below. 4. Embracing change. Next, let's embrace change. Stoicism teaches us that change is a natural part of life, and resisting it leads to suffering. Instead of fearing change, learn to accept and adapt. This mindset shift enhances emotional resilience. 5. Building a support system. Finally, let's discuss building a support system. Stoicism emphasizes the value of community and connection in fostering resilience. Surrounding yourself with supportive individuals provides encouragement during tough times. As Marcus Aurelius said, when you wake up in the morning, tell yourself, the people I deal with today will be meddling, ungrateful, arrogant, dishonest, jealous, and surly. Action step. Reach out to someone today. Share your thoughts and feelings, and offer your support in return. Open-ended question. Who do you turn to for support during challenging times? Share your thoughts below. To wrap up, we've explored the components of emotional resilience through Stoicism. We discussed understanding emotional resilience, the power of perspective, practicing mindfulness, embracing change, and building a support system. Each strategy helps you navigate challenges with strength and clarity. If you found this video helpful, hit like and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Don't forget to subscribe to Zen Stoic for weekly wisdom to help you master your mind. Remember, resilience is not about avoiding challenges but facing them with courage. Until next time, stay wise and stay stoic.